Exercise 49, equation of a circle. We have the following info. In the xy plane, the graph of the equation above, x plus 3 squared plus y minus 4 squared equals 25, is a circle. And of course, we know that this circle would be a circle with center of -3, 4, and the radius of 5. Point R is on the circle and has coordinates 1, 7. 1, 7. RS is the diameter of the circle. What are the coordinates of point S? Here, since this involves graphing, and since by doing that by hand, by following algebraic operations, it would take a lot of effort, let's try to see if we could do that by using Desmos. After all, Desmos can work amazingly in such cases. So let me begin by graphing this circle. I'm gonna simply graph that given equation, and Desmos will know that it's about a circle. Oh, what did I do here? -4 and all that squared equals to 25. There it is. And now I'm going to plot the point with coordinates 1 and 7, which is here. We need the diameter, so I'm going to see if this could work. Also, let me graph the point to make it the center, which is -3, 4. And now I'm gonna draw the diameter passing through these points. So R is this, S is that. 5, 6, 7, it's obviously equal to -7, 1. And not just because I relied on the scaling here, but mainly because the -3.4 would have been the center, so it's rejected. The -3.7, it's way above, and the -7/7, it's again perhaps outside the circle itself. So in this question and in such questions, it's always useful if you could be working with Desmos.